Hey fellow gardeners, welcome back. I'm here with Rosie, and Rosie is showing us her herbal garden, and I find it really interesting because she's got everything in pots and she's going to give us all the tips. So we've got our baskets, we're collecting herbs to make salad and tea and everything. Welcome back, and my name is Alice and I'm the Red Soul Gardener. Rosie, take us around.
Okay, so here we've got a variety of things.
Yes.
We've got this, which I call the pineapple plant.
Yes.
And it's amazing when you're trying to infuse your water.
Oh, lovely.
During a very warm day.
Yes.
You just cut this.
Yes.
And you put it in your very cold drink.
Put it here.
Yes, so
thank you.
That can go into your lovely cold drink.
Very nice.
And you put a few ice in it.
Yes.
Then you can create an infused water with that.
I love the idea.
Yes.
Now, what else is this? What is that?
Yeah, so this is also one of the mint families. Which is,
my gosh,
yes,
that smell.
Yeah, it is very, very.
Oh.
So you put that in water also as a drink, and it's got the most amazing. Do you smell
that? It's got that lovely,
peppermint.
Peppermint, yeah.
Yes, peppermint. Oh. Reminds me of childhood memories.
Yes.
And then we've got tomatoes, which naturally come from our organic, which we have at the bottom of the garden.
From the
organic
compost?
The compost.
Oh yeah, because the seeds stay there.
Yes. So when we spread the soil, this is what we get. We get tomatoes that naturally come up.
Now tell me, with your tomatoes, so when you're growing them, do you remove these bottom leaves?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
We do.
Okay.
And then what happens?
Yes.
This strengthens the amount of tomatoes you'll get, and it encourages
more branches,
and the energy goes more into your tomato.
So these are basically, are they different types of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, or are they the big ones?
Most of them are cherry tomatoes that you can see over here, Alice. This was one plant of a cherry tomato. And this is what came. This is just
the black tomatoes.
Yeah, this is just from one plant. Huh?
And is this also from the compost?
Yeah,
that's through it.
Yeah, that's from the compost.
Look at that.
I
Lovely.
know. So they pop up.
So many.
They pop up. And there's so many of them, and very good for your salads.
Lovely.
Yes.
Very nice. Very
so we've got that, and in between we've got the lavender, which you can use for your kitchen if you want to infuse it in water.
And then I think also you could, with the lavender, sometimes what I do is I crush it and then I rub it on my pillow at night.
Yeah.
And just getting that smell
and
makes you sleep.
It also induces sleep. Huh?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, very good.
And what I want to point out is Rosie's mixed in her pot is that apart from this pineapple sage, it's got that lovely colour. But these are cosmeres, and it's lovely that the way you make it really ornamental.
Oh, thank you.
And just mix it because it just brings a bit more creativity.
Just creating something that
absolutely very nice
adds interest and color.
Yes,
and also makes
very nice.
Yeah, and also allows you to grow something different. Huh?
I love these pots of yours.
So
now, what is this?
This is peppermint.
Oh. But it looks so different.
It does, and the reason is...
Oh, smell that.
Yeah. Our compost, our lovely compost, made it this big.
Oh,
made it this big. Look at the compost.
Oh, look at that.
That's just from the compost.
Amazing.
We use our compost to grow this.
Yeah.
We cut it right back when it's weak.
Yes.
And we can see it just needs a fresh beginning.
Yes.
We cut it right back, put the compost on top, and within 2 weeks we have our mint.
Again.
The mint comes again.
Yeah.
So it keeps renewing and renewing and renewing.
Amazing. Now tell me, I just need to ask you, once you do cut it back, so you'll have all this foliage.
Yes.
What do you do with the foliage? Do you freeze it? Do you grind it, freeze it?
So what we do with the foliage, we actually make like a chutney with it.
Oh, nice.
and put chili in it.
Ooh.
And then you can use it as a
I'm
dip.
impressed. I'd like
Yes.
some. I'd
Yeah,
like
yeah.
some.
Chutney
Very nice.
and mint and
Yeah,
with
yeah,
chilies. And then
yeah.
of course we've got our chilies
Oh,
here.
this chili plant. I love your
Yeah,
chilies. You have so many chilies.
I know. So this chilies, we ask every friend to come around who wants chili, and they can just come and harvest.
Oh, I'm going to take some home.
Yeah,
I'm
please
going to make
do.
some
Please
chili.
do. If
Yeah,
you're looking for
yeah.
chili, even the seeds
Yeah.
are really, really good to harvest.
Yeah.
And plant your own little pot.
And do these turn red or do they
Yeah, they
remain
do.
green?
They do turn red.
Beautiful.
Yeah, at the moment.
Oh, here's
they're-
a red one.
Yeah, at the
Oh, I'm going
moment.
to take that
they're-
one. Can I
they're-
take that
yeah,
seed?
at the moment, yes,
Oh,
yes.
seed. Yeah.
At the moment, they're not so healthy.
Yeah.
But we'll get there because we're waiting for the rains. Huh?
Yeah, we're waiting for the rains.
Yeah, we're
Now
waiting
tell
for-
me something about this chili plant because they're very tall. I've never seen tall chili plants like this. Do you prune them down also when they get too much?
Yeah, we prune them down.
Yeah.
And we look for the weak parts and everything. We
Yeah.
just prune them back.
Yeah.
And after a while, what I might do is just cut it there.
Yeah.
And then this.
Oh, leave that one to grow.
We'll leave that to grow.
Okay.
So you'll
okay.
always have chilies.
Yeah. Now I'm interested in something is that we call it tulsi, which
Yes.
is like the Indian basil, and it's so medicinal, and everyone has one in
The
the
holy
garden.
basil, that's
yeah,
what
the
they
holy
call it.
basil. Let's have a look at this.
Yes.
And talk to me about it.
So our holy basil has continuously gifted us.
Yeah.
We cut it back, and you can see it's an old stem at the bottom. We cut it back and we get really good fresh because tulsi can really go bushy
Yeah.
and be filled with seeds and things. But we use it in water, in hot water. If we have a cold,
Yeah, they say
we
it's really
run
good,
here.
yeah.
And if I'm gardening and I'm feeling a little bit of fever or whatever, I'll take a leaf, chew it in my mouth. And during the times when we had COVID, this was our drink. We had this
During
all-
COVID?
Yeah, during COVID.
Yeah.
We had it going on all the time.
lovely.
And it's got amazing
Healing properties.
healing properties.
Lovely.
And this is actually very respected plant in India. They call it tulsi. And when you have a tulsi plant, it means you're really blessed and it's very sacred.
Beautiful.
That's why they call it the holy basil. Huh?
Very nice. Now, Rosie, all I see underneath there, how did you get those onions in there?
Okay, so I'll tell
there's so
you.
many onions.
Yeah, I'll tell you my secret, Alice. When our onions get to this stage, and we have them in the kitchen
Yes,
basket,
when they start growing.
they start growing, and then we think, oh, right. So what I normally do, I come out here and dig a hole and plant my onion, and then after a week or so, after covering it completely, after a week or so, you get the chives, huh?
Beautiful.
And they all come up, and we come over and we use them for salads.
Lovely. And you
And-
can sprinkle them on potatoes
Yes. So
and things.
again, this is our very own compost,
Oh, that's beautiful.
which we use from our garden. So no chemicals, nothing, and everything thrives. Huh?
Beautiful.
They all just love. And these are like 10 days or so.
And they grow so fast.
Yeah, they grow very fast.
Oh, that's such a good idea.
Yeah,
Thank
one-
you for that tip.
No, not at all.
This one is a ginger.
That's right. Yeah.
Do you use the ginger from this plant?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So you just pluck it out and
Yes.
take what
So
you
it's-
need
it's
out
a-
of it?
Yeah. So it's the Thai ginger.
Yes.
Yeah.
I had that.
Yeah.
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 Lovely. Okay, now we continue. Show me more. Now I need to take a pluck of your tulsi so I can go and chew it.
Yeah. Put it in hot water.
I'll put it in
It's
hot
really
water.
Lovely. Yeah.
I need some spearmint
Mm-hmm.
here.
Yeah.
Do you want to cut it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can
so-
cut it for you,
yeah,
Alice.
just there.
Or you can
I'm going to have spearmint in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Spearmint tea.
spearmint tea. And then, Alice, what I'd like you to do,
Yes.
if you put this in water
Yeah.
in your glass and sit
Yeah.
it in the kitchen,
It'll
you
grow
get
quite
lots
quickly.
of fruits,
Yes.
which you can get a pot and plant.
Yes.
So everybody can have
Yeah.
a peppermint
And
pot.
I love the way it's so lush.
And you can have that and it's really good for your breath in the morning.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Everybody can grow this.
Now, what is that at the back? Is that thyme?
Yeah, this is thyme.
Yeah.
It's thyme that we use for our pastas and things.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Just smell that.
Oh, I'm eating it. The smell.
I know. There's something very, very beautiful when it comes to herbs and you're smelling it. I think every human being recognizes.
And you know, the beauty about growing your own herbs is that I always find when I get the dried herbs in the supermarket, it never brings out the taste.
No.
But this is amazing.
This is really,
lovely.
really, really special.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very, very
And
nice.
of course, we have this speck boom from South Africa, which goes in the Karoo.
Very nice.
On very dry, whatever. And you can use this for salads.
Do you actually use it for salad?
Yes. So what you do, you can cut it and then liquidize it with chili and olive oil.
Yes.
And it's amazing.
Oh.
Unbelievable.
I'm going to try that.
And of
because
course,
I have
it's also
some-
got some medicinal to it.
Yeah.
I'll give you a nice cutting from.
I have this already.
Oh, you do?
It's just that with medicinal, I wasn't very sure.
Yes.
But I shall try
No, you
it.
can. You can.
Lovely.
Yeah. And then we've got lavender.
Beautiful.
And
lovely.
Ed, some years ago, started.
Oh, when you were doing bonsais,
Yeah,
I
he was
remember.
doing bonsai, so we have that.
Yeah, lovely.
So it's just a mixture of things.
And you know,
here.
this is the way, I mean, I love vegetable gardens, but I love the practicality of this and then the beauty and creativity, because you're blending in herbs plus flowers, and it just looks as if it's,
So your kitchen garden, you can come and step out here if you need chives, you collect your chives. If you need the pineapple plant, then if you need a mint, fresh mint from the garden.
for your tea.
Yeah, for your tea.
Yeah, and your tomatoes.
Yeah, your tomatoes and your ginger roots.
Very nice.
It's all here.
Yeah,
but
show me
it doesn't
something.
have to be in
Sorry.
very big spaces, huh?
Yeah. Now here we got some other spearmint. This is not the same variety as
No,
that.
it's a different variety.
Here we go again.
Yes, here we go again. And
smell that. That is powerful.
oh, isn't this powerful? Powerful than that one, huh?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a stronger
It's
smell.
very, very, very
And
strong.
what is this? This is just a plant.
Just a plant.
Okay, looks
Yeah.
almost like a thyme.
Just a bit of colour.
Yeah, lovely.
And
you've got some sage here.
yeah, we've got some sage, and then we've also
Oh,
got
I love this other thyme,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, the thyme.
Yeah. Now here it's very interesting because what I see some indigenous vegetables.
managu is
Managu.
very, very, very good for you. So
Yeah.
we just have small amount of it.
Yeah.
But you can pick up the leaves, liquidize in some juice.
Yes.
And it's so good for you. It's healthy.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you're looking to introduce greenery in your system, you can use the terere and you can use the managu.
yeah. The terere is this one.
Yes.
The amarantha,
Yes,
isn't it?
that's right,
Yeah, and
yes.
it's such a lovely vegetable, and
Yes.
it's very typical
Yes.
in Kenyan food. I love terere. I
Yes,
just live for it.
very,
Yeah.
very nutritious.
Lovely.
Very nutritious.
Very nice.
Yes. Alice, I don't think you have the chili,
I'm good.
which you
Yeah,
can
thank you.
actually use a few of this
Yes.
and make that chili.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
As a dip.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
do that. That's lovely.
So we've got loads of chili here.
Very nice.
So
yes.
is there anything else you're looking for?
What am I looking for? Everything. No, give me some more of those leaves.
Okay.
Just one more leaf of the tulsi, the holy basil.
Okay. Here we are.
Yes. And I've got...
In India, she's honored as the goddess. huh?
Lovely.
Yeah. Yeah.
I shall chew her
Yes.
with patience and love.
Yes, she's always gifting.
Yeah. So, fellow gardeners, here we are. We're at the end of this lovely journey, and Rosie's incredible,
you're welcome.
incredible herbal garden. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and press the notification button, and also subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave me comments. I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Facebook. And also do send us comments about Rosie's garden and Rosie's herbal garden. I'd like to see your views. And thank you so much, Rosie.
Oh, you're
thank
welcome,
you so
Alice.
much.
It's such a pleasure.
It's been such a pleasure.
But you
having
really,
yeah.
you actually renewed our enthusiasm
Yes.
more that you have visited.
Yes,
and then
thank
we
you.
realized we do have this lovely little
Treasures.
paradise
Yes,
here.
yeah.
And we're really happy to share with you. And if you have any queries, here's the Queen of Answers. She's a huge inspiration for all of us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And especially the young people growing up.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, Alice, for coming up.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Really appreciate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.